Happy birthday, Toby. Happy birthday. What do you think? Isn't it fun?
Can you get it? Here, let me just untape this. If I can just untape it without tearing it.
That'd be helpful.
Maybe no. Look at here. Look. There you go.
Open it up. Get it.
Open it. What's in it? There you go. Here, now get it. Get this part. Here, let's take your card off. Maybe that will be easier.
There you go.
Are you
Get
getting
it.
this on a video? Awesome.
Yay, you did
Good
it!
boy.
That's
Toby,
the
what
first
is
one he's
it?
ever completely unwrapped.
Whoa.
Now Dad is going to need to get
You want
scissors
it
or
open?
something.
Here, let me see. Here, let me open it. Can I have it? Here, let me have it.
I don't think so. He says mine.
Hang on. Hang on 1 second.
Look,
Open
Toby.
here.
Have you seen your card? Look! That's awesome! It says, look who's won. Mickey Mouse has come to play and share your birthday.
Probably needs to be on the bare floor.
His head pops out. That's cute. So it just can't do it on...
Probably not on the rug.
It's just a little thick, probably.
That's cute. It's
Happy
like a little
birthday.
cupcake.
Cute.
Toby, you're getting too many toys.
What you got,
I
Toad?
like your sweater, Tobes.
What do you got?
No, it is cute.
Yeah, it fits him
I
good.
never understood this rabbit.
Yeah, you're supposed to get your hand in there. Must be for little kids' hands is what it is. 'Cause